Hello good people, how are you? Thank you so much for subscribing to Smart Joker TV, clicking on the notification bell and also informing other people by sharing my clips. I am the sweet joking, smooth smiling Smart Joker from Kipra, lawyer wa Timafisi with a baby face, food psychologist mwenyewe. Now, do you know that a copyright claim means you can't monetize your video on your channel? Just imagine after wasting your whole time to create content, to shoot videos, to edit, then your clip is maybe 1,100 views, then it happens that you can't monetize it. Now today I want to help you so that you can't experience such issues in future as my fellow young YouTubers. Now I want you to follow this particular tutorial. It's about how to get free music that you can include in your edit. Let's go. Yes, you go direct to your application that you usually use to enter your YouTube channel. Then you click on youtube.com. It is opening. Let us wait. You need to be patient. Then from there we have two features here. We have customize channel and also manage videos. Click on manage videos. It is loading, so don't be too much faster because the internet has its own way of working. Here it is opening. Then the window that is opening, it has these particular features. We have dashboard, content, playlists, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright. Then we have monetization. We have what we call customization, then audio library. On that audio library is where you click and the music that you will see on that new window are totally free. You can use them to include in your music, in your video. You can include them, even you can use them in studio. You can use it to compose your own music. We have hip-hop instrumentals here. I will be playing later on so that you can listen and hear how it is. Let me use my earphones here so that I can Muluya mitaka mshiangala, horula itaka mshiangala. Ukitaka kufika mshiangala ni lazima upitie sikala kala. Ukijipata kwa gold mine, si hapo ndiyo ikolomani. Teremuka, teremuka, Google ni 5G. Teremuka, teremuka, Google ni 5G, yeah. Tumetoka analogi tuko digital. Tumetoka analogi tuko digital. Yes, that is a sample of music that you can get on this particular window, and this is a hip-hop instrumental. It is so nice. In fact, let me download it immediately. When you want to download it, we have an icon there, an arrow pointing down, then you click there and your music will be downloaded. And then from there you will take it, incorporate in your edit and move on with your life. I am the sweet joking, smooth smiling Smart Joker from Kipra, lawyer wa Timafisi with a baby face, food psychologist mwenyewe. Yay! To help copyright claims, to help copyright strikes. Fantastic. Nasi tuonane. Happy Jubuju.